And some people are saying that it's hard to get a mortgage. It ain't hard. Your credit just trash. There's programs in the city of Detroit to help you fix your credit for free. They had a free estate planning meeting Monday on Zoom. It was maybe 60 people in there, and it should have been 6,000. The meeting, they had attorneys on there telling you how to build your family trust, how to get these, if somebody passed, how to avoid probate, how to deal with probate, all this free stuff. And then if you needed help after the call, they got an application you can fill out to, if you're low income, now you get free estate planning services. Like, it's help in Detroit for us. Either two things are happening. Either we just don't know, so you can't get mad because you don't know, or you do know and you don't give a mother fuck. And that is the problem. Like, I don't want to hear nothing about we this, we that, education is. I don't even want to hear the education excuse no more, because again, Detroit got so many free programs for Detroiters, especially if you're a young adult, 18 to 25, you got the Detroit at Work program. And even if you are older than that, they got programs for that. And then it's like, okay, you want to get your GED or your high school diploma. Once you get that taken care of, then go and get you some damn skills. If you got skills, skills pay the bills. My granddaddy always taught us that. If you got a skill, your bills will be paid, and then your skills increase your income, and your income gonna determine where you live. Simple.